Yo, what is up guys? Preem here, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Supreme Week 14. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss another video. Alright guys, we don't have the full drop list yet, but hopefully we will by the end of today or tomorrow. But so far this week's looking like another banger week. First I'm going to talk about that Supreme Mac toolbox set, or it's not even a toolbox set, but like stuff you can put your supplies in, pretty much for your garage. I'm definitely not gonna be going for that because it's $8,500. Like, I don't even know if it's releasing online. It might be actually friends and family only. Supreme says, oh, over $150 free shipping, but with that, it's definitely not gonna be free shipping. If the bike wasn't free shipping, that's definitely not gonna be free shipping at all. It's probably actually gonna resell in the long run, but it's gonna be extremely hard to cop. Obviously it's gonna sell out, but that's really all I have to say about that. Resale is probably gonna be really high. I'm thinking like maybe 12K. I mean, honestly, that's not even that much because you're gonna be looking at, I guess it is a lot, 3K profit. But would you spend over 9 grand to make 3K profit? I guess I would if I was able to, I don't have 9 grand laying around like that, but yeah, that's 3K profit. I'd take that any day. I've seen a lot of people talking about this and hyping this up. We got the Waves items. We got all the Wave items dropping this week. We got the jacket, we got the hat, we got the bowl, and we got the pants, and we got the long sleeve t-shirt. I'm probably definitely be going for this. I might be going for the bowl and probably the jacket, maybe the bowl, I don't know yet, but the jacket I'll probably be going for 100% if it's gonna resell. Retails, I'm not too sure. I see the bowl being retail around like maybe $48, maybe 38, probably around there, 38, 48 bucks. The pants, I see them being about around $100-ish. The hat's probably 48, maybe 56, around there. The long sleeve t-shirt, probably maybe like 68 bucks for the long sleeve tee. I'm not too sure. I don't really know what the long sleeve tees go for on Supreme usually. Maybe $68, $78, something around there. My retails aren't 100% accurate all the time. The jacket, I'm not too sure on retail about this one. Maybe like 120, I don't know, 128. I don't know what material it is. I gotta look at it. There's gonna be profit to be made on the jacket for sure. I do know that. But retail, maybe like 148, 168-ish. Resell probably maybe around 250, depending if my retail is correct or not. So if it's about 168, you're looking about 180 after tax and shipping. So I'm saying maybe 250, 270-ish resell. It's not gonna be like it's lunch money. It's a decent amount of profit though, so I'd be down for that. Pants, I don't really see them going for that much money at all. The hat, if it's like $48 retail, I definitely do see it going to maybe about $78 for resale, 70 to 80 bucks resale for sure. Most hype color is definitely the white one. I'm not digging the blackish tan maroon, whatever. Maroon, it's like brown, but I'm not digging that color. The white colorway for sure is the only one to resell in my opinion. That's my favorite. The bowl, it is an accessory. I don't know if it's glass or not. It looks like it in the picture, but resell, I'm thinking maybe like 65 bucks depending on that retail, of course. But yeah guys, don't mark me on the retails. I'm usually wrong. I don't know retails on all these. I gotta wait for them to drop probably tonight or probably tomorrow, but I'll definitely post them on my Instagram, the retails. So if you're not following my Instagram, go follow. It's Preem3. Link will be in the description below, so make sure you go follow that. And that's all we got dropping this week as of right now. We don't have the full drop list yet, but hopefully we will get it today sometime, which I will also post on my Instagram, so make sure you go follow that. Like I said, link in the description below. That's pretty much all I got for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is Preem. Peace out.